Good afternoon. What I have here is a butchered bag, and I don't eat lab-grown meat. I don't plan on eating it. If that's your thing, that's fine too. But I have raised and harvested my own animals for about 10 years, and that's chickens, ducks, turkeys, pork. That's about it. All of our beef is bought from a local cattle farm, and we do hunt out here, so there is an occasional deer and we get lucky. But what I did, all of our tools were kind of strewn all over the place on the farm. So I found this olive drab tool bag and decided to turn it into a butcher's bag so that we can keep everything together. And I'll just kind of start at the top here. It's a zipper close, and it's like some of the old military tool bags that the mechanics used to carry, and they may still carry them. But you've got side pockets, and it's divided into two compartments. I don't have anything in there right now. Everything's a little too big for these small pockets, but I'm sure something will find its way in there. So the pockets are on both sides. It makes a good tool bag too. The only thing I can't fit in here is my hatchet. I use a hatchet to split breastbones and things sometimes on large animals, and it's just the handle is too long. So it is hanging in one of the barns. This, I don't know exactly what this is used for. I was given this as a gift some time back, but it has a nice little hook that can be used for a hook on the hides of animals. I just haven't had a chance to use it for that yet. Keep a pair of gloves. If an animal gets wet, especially on the hide, these can be really handy to get a grip. Then here's an outdoor edge. It's a set of shears, which can be good for starting hides. It's used on poultry a lot to help get inside there to clean the animal. Here's a little hacksaw. It's called the magic saw. I've had this laying around a long time, but it's got coping saw blades, wire type saw blade, and then hacksaw blades. These can be used for separating limbs and other parts of the animal, as well as just day-to-day hardware functions. Got a quick sharpener, a spare set of knives. These are labeled Browning, but they work really well. That one doesn't get used much. I just haven't found too much that my other knives wouldn't do. Sharpening stone, a length of chain. If I have to do a makeshift skinning rack, or if I've got to hang an animal, I've got that on hand. And lastly is a set of Browning knives. These came with a shear, or a set of shears like these, but much cheaper, and the quality wasn't near as good as these, and the handle kind of separated on that. Got a nice stick sharpener. And a main skinning knife with a gut hook on it. It holds a decent edge, I have to admit, to be kind of an economy set of knives. And then a fillet knife, which is great for fish, but it also works pretty well on chickens. So anyway, if you're into harvesting your own animals or thinking about getting into it, it might be a solution for you. And if you've got some good tips on processing animals, anything I can add to this collection, I'm running out of room, but I'd be glad to hear them. Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all of you. We've gone over 600 subscribers, and I have not had a chance to do a video for 200, 300, 400, or 500. Just giving all of you guys a thank you. So thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, consider giving us a subscribe.